In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create workload tracking in Smartsheet. We'll walk through a very simple setup that lets you quickly see who's working on what and make sure no one on your team is overloaded. Even though there are only a couple of clicks involved, I'll explain what each part does so you understand how to actually use it in your day-to-day work. First, make sure you have your Smartsheet project or task sheet open in the grid view. This is the view where you can see your rows and columns like a spreadsheet. Once you're there, look toward the top of the Smartsheet interface for the resource management icon. Depending on your screen size, it may appear in the toolbar or just below it, often near other project-related options. Go ahead and click on the resource management icon. This is the feature Smartsheet uses to help you manage people's capacity, assignments, and availability across multiple tasks and projects. If nothing happens, it's possible your Smartsheet plan or permissions don't include resource management, so you may need to check with your account admin. After you click the icon, a small menu or panel will appear with options related to managing resources. From here, you'll see an option labeled Track Workload. This is the key feature we want to enable for your sheet. Click on Track Workload. By doing this, you're essentially telling Smartsheet to start monitoring how the tasks on this sheet are assigned to people and to surface that information in a visual way. Once it's turned on, Smartsheet can use your assigned to column, start and end dates, and any allocation rules you configure to show you who is overbooked, who has room for more work, and how your team's tasks are spread over time. After enabling workload tracking, take a moment to review your sheet structure. Make sure you have a column for assigned team members and that your tasks have realistic start and end dates. The more accurate your data, the more helpful the workload view will be. If you work with multiple projects, you can repeat this process on each sheet so Smartsheet can roll up workload across different work streams. That's all there is to turning on workload tracking in Smartsheet. Open your sheet, click the resource management icon, and then select Track Workload. From here, you can start using the workload view to make better decisions about assignments, deadlines, and